Hi guys, so right now I am just cleaning my face with some witch hazel, and I did apply some tape. That way when I go ahead and apply my eyeshadow, it doesn't go outside of the area that it needs to. And yes, I have a huge pimple on my freaking forehead, but I am on my menstrual cycle and I do get breakouts during that time. Now I'll be using my Clean and Clear Dual Action Moisturizer on my face. I'm using this as a primer before I begin to put on my makeup. Now I will be using my Rimmel London eyebrow pencil. This is in the color brown, and all you see me doing is using the brush that it comes with, and I'm just kind of brushing my eyebrows in the direction that I want it to be. And then I'm just going to go ahead and lightly fill in my brows, and I just go really light. I really like my brows to look really natural. I don't like anything too dramatic. And then once I finish filling it in, then I will go back over it with that little brush just to make sure that everything is in place. Next, I'll be using some concealer below and also above my eyebrow. And this is just to give the illusion that my eyebrows are more square than they really are. And it's going to go ahead and give it a nice shape once I actually fill in all of my eye makeup. Now it is time to begin the eyeshadow process. So I do like to go ahead and put a concealer on my eyelids before putting any type of colored makeup on my eyes. I feel like when I do this step first, it makes my eye colors pop out way more, and it makes everything look more natural. Now I will be using this contour kit and also this Radiant Eye Palette by Knick Knack, and I will be using that to go ahead and begin my colors. So I am using that red shimmery color, and I'm just putting that in the inside of my crease because this is the boldest color that I will be using for this simple eye makeup look. And now I will be using a soft gold color to go ahead and put right below that red color. And then once I'm done with that, I'm going to go ahead and take the orange looking contour color, and I'm going to go ahead and begin to blend that in on my eyelids. Now I am blending it very close towards the red one, and that's the one that I'm actually using now. But I'll be blending that one in with the red. That way it'll look more natural and kind of take away some of that background concealer. So y'all know I do have the lashes. These are the 3D lashes by Miss. I always have a hard time putting on eyelashes, you guys, so I always have to go in my bathroom and stop the video and put them on and come back to the camera. And I'm just being honest on that, y'all. I suck at putting on eyelashes. Once I attempted to go ahead and put it on, now I will actually be using my penciled eyeliner, and I will go ahead and start filling in my eyeliner on the bottom. And then for the top, I actually use a liquid eyeliner off camera once the glue on my eyelashes actually dried. So I'm pretty much almost done with this look. Now you just see me taking my orange color corrector, and I'm just kind of putting that all over my face. So what I do like about this is that it brings my face to one even tone. Even though I have those blemishes on my face, I still want to make sure that my dark spots begin to actually blend in and everything looks natural, nice, calm, and collected before I go ahead and actually put on my foundation. So I really love orange color corrector, and I still do use my Fenty Beauty foundation, of course. This is my second time actually buying the Fenty Beauty, and this is in the color 400. I absolutely love it. So I'm just going to go ahead and blend that into my face, and then I'll also take the tape off, and yeah, and that'll pretty much be it for this look. So to go ahead and finish up my foundation process, I am using my Clutch Cosmetics translucent powder to go ahead and set my foundation in place. And now I will be using my concealer to go ahead and conceal under my eyes, and I'll be also putting a little bit on my forehead and on my chin area. Going back to this contour kit, I will be using the brightest color in that kit to go ahead and go over my concealer. I think this part is called baking, if I'm not mistaken. I am an amateur makeup artist, you guys, so I don't know if all of my vocabulary for the whole makeup thing is intact, but I will also be using that deep orange color as well to go ahead and contour the sides of my cheekbones, just to kind of give me a contoured look. And then I will also be using my Kevyn Aucoin highlighter. I absolutely love this stuff. What I love about it is that it's really simple, and it does have a nice natural shimmer to it. And lastly, I will be taking my Kylie Jenner True Brown matte lipstick, and I will be using that as a lip liner with a beauty supply store lip gloss to go ahead and fill that in. And that's pretty much it for this look, and I hope you guys did enjoy, and I hope you do subscribe.